Are you worried about buying a power bank? Well, I think with good reason. The market is polluted with brands that misrepresent their products. Inferior power banks can catch fire, they can explode, they can damage the device that you've got plugged into them, or they might not have the capacity that they say on the box. You're going to want to watch this and see what you can get for $100 Canadian. Welcome back to another review, and thank you INIU for sending me their massive 25,000 milliamp hour power bank for free for review. INIU is not only honest about their capacities, but they have an industry-leading 3-year warranty and lifetime support, and they have a website where you can get a hold of them. So let's have a look at the build quality. This INIU power bank feels good in the hand with its textured finish. It feels like a good quality plastic. Its fit and finish is excellent. Everything's tight, the seams are tight, there's nothing loose, there's nothing rattling in it. It's got a nice big screen which is easy to read. But can it do what you need it to do? That's the question. Let's have a look at the features and see. Okay, first it's got the guns. This bad boy is packing 25,000 milliamps. Power delivery, and it supports QR fast charge. The unit has three charging ports. It's got one USB-C at 65 watts, it's got another USB-C at 30 watts, and it's got a type A port that powers up to 22.5 watts. With these options, you can fast charge your device when you need to, when you're in a hurry, or you can use the slower charging port to increase the longevity of your device's batteries. The large info screen tells you the current percentage of the charge left in the bank, which is much better than LED lights. The device comes with a USB-C cable, a USB Type-C cable, a USB Type-A to Type-C cable, and a mesh pouch for carrying it. This device has good looks and great features, but is it just lipstick on a pig, or can it perform? I put the INIU through several charging cycles and I was impressed. It charges quickly and the thermals are great. It stays cool while it's being charged as well as when it's charging another device. It charged my MacBook Air M1 from dead to 100% in an hour and 40 minutes, leaving 42% in the tank. After crunching the numbers, I was able to confirm that this is indeed a 25,000 milliamp capacity. What a lot of people don't realize is the batteries in here are 3.7 volts. So if you're charging something that draws 3.7 volts, you'll get 25,000 milliamp hours out of it. If you've got a 5, 9, or 12 volt device, then you have to do some calculating. The formula is right there. Okay, so say you want to charge a 5 volt device, like your headphones or your earbuds, or maybe an older phone. So you take the capacity of this at 25,000, you multiply that by 3.7, and then you divide by 5 volts. Now that brings the capacity down to 18,500 milliamp hours, which is the capacity for a 5 volt charge. It's still 25,000 milliamps for a 3.7 charge, but only 18,500 for a 5 volt charge. And as you go up to 9 volts, 12 volts, even 20 volts, then that's going to drop significantly. So it's not that this doesn't have the capacity, it's just physics. So what's my conclusion? Build quality is good, performance is very good, and the features are great. You'll be very happy with this. I'm very happy with it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you are indeed still watching, there are discount coupons in the description below and affiliate links. Please avail yourselves to those because using those helps me bring more products to you to review. Thank you.